Good morning. Today we will try a new mindfulness exercise. We will use the exercise to focus on our gratitude for people and things in our lives. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take one more deep, cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit comfortably in your space, close your eyes and push away all other thoughts. Allow the thoughts to float away, leaving space in your mind for our activity today. Think of something that you are truly grateful for. Picture that person or that thing in your mind. Can you see the thing or person clearly? Notice how the person or thing looks. If it's a person, what facial expressions does the person have? What is the person's body language? If it's a thing, what colors do you notice the most? What are the textures of the item? As you think of the person or thing that you are grateful for, notice the feelings in your body. Look for feelings of warmth and appreciation in your body. Where do you feel gratitude? Where does it radiate in your body? Allow yourself to feel the gratitude and let it flow through your entire body, filling you with joy and filling your mind with positive, happy thoughts. Now, open your eyes and take a moment to reflect on what you experienced. When we take time to focus on things that we are grateful for, we give our bodies and mind a healthy boost.